everyone. Hope you guys are having a good summer and enjoying what little bit you have left before school starts. I know, bummer, huh? Hopefully, this will make you guys perk up a little bit, even though you know school will be starting very, very soon. This we are going to do today is your fairy headbands. As you can see, there's one on my head that I did earlier to kind of show you guys what your end result will look like. But I'm going to take a couple minutes and show you guys how you guys can make your own. As you can see in front of me, we have a lot of different colored flowers and stuff that we have laying here that we will provide to you guys to make your own. And we also have a lot of these cool little multicolored gems. They're all different colors, they're different shapes, and everything that you'll get to add to your headbands as well, and decorate them up however you choose and however you like to. So for this one that we're gonna make today, we are gonna use green and blue to make our first flower. And what you guys are gonna wanna do, the way I did this is your bands will come pre-measured out for you to make sure you have plenty of ribbon to work with. The best thing that I can tell you, if you wanna try to make this as even as possible, where your ribbon ties in the back and it lays pretty even, take it around your head and measure it where your center should be. So if you divide your ribbon in the beginning, make sure your bottoms are side by side, and if you put a small little crease in here, that will show you where the dead center of your ribbon is. And you'll notice once you undo it, there's a little indentation of a crease there. If you then take it around your sides, put the center of it right around your forehead, and wrap around and hold the back side of your ribbons close to your head, and take your strands, parents, you will probably have to help with this part, and bend their ends and make sure they're still even at the bottom. That will tell you about how many flowers and stuff that you can use around the circumference of your ribbon. So you're not putting too many close to your ends and then you have to tie it. And then you're tying your flowers and your flowers come off. Okay. So to start, you're gonna need hot glue, Panther, no, sorry guys, my kitty has decided he wants to try and come play with the ribbon, no Panther. The only thing we will not be providing to you guys is hot glue. So you will need to get at least that, or maybe some other kind of good fabric kind of glue that you can use to glue your flowers and everything to your headbands. You want to make sure that they're good and strong held on there so that when you're moving around and playing, you're not losing your flowers and everything. Sorry guys. Okay, so you decide how far apart you want your flowers. I did mine about evenly across, maybe about 2 to 3 inches in between. And by doing that, on my headband, I was able to get 3 flowers on each side of where my headband is the dead center. But it's entirely up to you. This is your own headband. You create it however you like. Just simple suggestions in case you do. So you want to put just a very small, light little dab of your hot glue on your ribbon, and then glue your first flower down where you want it to sit. You want to make sure it's on there good and well. And once you do, you're going to take your other flower and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to add a small little dab of glue on top of the first flower that you've already put on. And then you're going to lay your other flower, and we're laying the green one here, on top of that, however you choose it to be. You can have it where it lays in between, you can have it overlayer on top of it evenly, entirely up to you. So then your flower will look like this. Then you can choose whatever gems that you like. We'll give you guys a few gems of different colors and of different shapes and stuff for you to put on your headbands. So the first one we've got sitting right here, we're gonna use a star, and it's pretty bright pink color. I'm not sure how well you guys might be able to see it, but leaving it in light, it's pretty pink. And we're gonna put that on the green and blue. Again, small little dab of hot glue. Parents, for the little ones, you may need to be out there to help assist, because it is hot and can burn them. And you want to put your little gem on there and kind of hold it on there for a few seconds to make sure it it is good on there on top of the glue. You want to make sure the glue is good around that little gem on there because they will fall up easily. When I first did this one, I had one come off because I didn't have enough glue. So then when you hold it up, you'll see your flower looks like this on your headband. Bring it a little closer so you can kind of see a little bit better there. Okay, we're gonna do another one here. And this one, we're gonna use the black and yellow flowers. And we're gonna space it about 2 or 3 inches like we did before. So kind of like here, I'm spacing them about 2 to 3 inches just to try to make it as even as I can on each side. Or if you want to add as many as you want, you can add as many as you want to however you like. Put this one on there, hold it on for a couple seconds. And then we'll do the same again with the yellow. Like so. Hi, Panther. It's being a bit much tonight. Okay. And then I'm gonna change this just for a sec. Just a quick second here. Let's see if this one might look a little bit better. Okay, so I'm gonna change this gem on this flower for just a second because I think that one would be better suited if we do another blue and green one. So this one is more of like a dark emerald green color and it's an oval shape. So we'll put this one on. This one a little dab. Zip it down. Put the little gem on. Hold it in place for a minute. And then you've got your second flower on there. And then you would add one more right down here, about this far, because here's the dead center, the little crease that I made in the very beginning to know, kind of make sure my ribbon was even and it would be even when I stuck it on. So once you do that and you get all of your flowers all the way across, you can then officially tie your headband on your head and it will look like this. We had some extra gems, so we decided to place those in between the flowers all the way around. And this is my headband. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys love making your fairy headbands. Please, 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 once you finish them, make your own video or take pictures and share them with us on our Facebook page. Or if you create your own little video, share it out with us through LPLD. Bye guys.